Okay, it says use the array to complete each problem. Number 1. So I'm going to look at it, and I know that there are two rows, 1, 2, and in each row there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 2 times 4 equals 8, which is the same as 8 divided by 2 equals 4. Let's look at this. So if there are 3 rows, 1, 2, 3, and how many are in each row? 1, 2, 3. So 3 times 3 equals 9. So we know that 9 divided by 3 also equals 9. Or also equals 3, I'm sorry. Number 3. There are 3 rows, 1, 2, 3. And in each row there's 1, 2. So 3 times 2 equals 6, which is the same as 6 divided by 3 equals 2. Number 4, there are 1, 2 rows. We already have that written. How many are in each row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 times 5 equals 10. So we know that 10 divided by 2 is going to equal 5. Do you understand? Look at exercise 3, which is the same as number 3. How are the number sentences you completed similar? So how are they the same? Similar is another word for same. Use a seesaw to help you to answer. Go to the next slide. Okay, so for this one, you're probably going to have to draw a picture. So I'm going to start with the division sentence. So I'm going to draw cookies. So 2 divided by 1. I'm going to draw 1 cookie and put 2 in each. And so then I just look at that. 2 divided by 1 equals 2. So 1 times 2 also equals 2. It's like a number 6. I'm going to do the division first. So I'm going to draw cookies. So I'm going to draw 5 cookies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to put 1 in each until I get to 5. Here we go. Till I get to 15. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. They are each in groups of 3. So 15 divided by 5 equals 3. 5 times 3 equals 15. Number 7, 20 divided by 4. I'm going to draw 4 cookies to give me just a little bit of room to work. If I need to get a whiteboard, I can. I'm going to put 1 in each until I get to 20. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Make sure you go in order so you don't get confused. And I'm just going to look at one of those to see how many are in each group. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 20 divided by 4 equals 5. 4 times 5 also equals 20. Go ahead and do number 8, 9, and 10 on your own. You can use these spaces right here, these little spaces, to draw your pictures. I start with division. And number 11 says, write the multiplication sentence that can help you complete the division sentence. Okay, so you're going to find the answer down here to your division problem. And then you're going to write the related multiplication fact sentence or fact up top. Go to the back. Write a multiplication sentence that helps you solve the problem. Hold on. All right, then write a division sentence to solve the problem. Number 13. There are 15 team members. They line up in 3 equal rows. How many are in each row? So there are 3 equals rows. 1, 2, 3, and 15 team members. So I'm going to put 1 in each until I get to 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So it's 15 divided by 3, and if I look at 1, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 in each equals 5. So the related multiplication fact would be 5 times 3 equals 15. Number 14. Jenny has 8 baseball bats. She gives her bats to 4 friends to share equally. Which division sentence shows how Jenny divided her bats? And number 15. Write a story about sharing 6 objects equally between 2 friends. Write a division sentence to solve. Show the multiplication sentence that helped you solve. When you are done, go ahead and get it checked by an adult if an adult is not busy. If an adult or all adults are busy, turn it in the turn-in basket.